2016.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Smart to you. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alphabet, gamma na sangkap ito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako bilib.
Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo, aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero, always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya. Kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural, at original.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm, Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulo sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774, your clinic on the air.